Hi friends, today's travel guide is from Las Vegas in the state of Nevada. Here are Sia and Abhi and we welcome you to our channel Boarding Adventure, which is all about sharing and inspiring travel. In this vlog, we will share all the exciting things you can do on this trip other than gambling, some amazing places you can visit just outside the city, and of course plenty of food that you must try when in Vegas. Visiting Vegas is always a delight for both of us, considering all that you can pamper yourself with: the food, entertainment, shopping, and of course the abundant and unique marvels of nature that you can find at a few hours' drive. The first thing that we recommend to catch a glimpse of the flamboyant Vegas is to go for a helicopter ride. We chose the Maverick helicopters. It is around 15 minutes of time in the air and they give pickup and drop-off service to your hotel. The views of Strip, Stratosphere and downtown Vegas were stunning in the dark, totally a thrill and a different perspective of the scene that comes alive at night. Other than being the most picturesque hotels on the Las Vegas Boulevard, at the Paris Hotel you can take an elevator to the viewing deck at the top of the Eiffel Tower. The fountain show at Bellagio is definitely one of the most well-known attractions. Other than that are the beautiful art installations in the hotel and the high-end shopping, be it here or in the Forum shops in Caesars. For me, the best part is the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Garden. At the time of our visit, there was a beautiful Chinese garden installation with lanterns, waterfalls and temples. Make sure to check the fire and lava flow show at the volcano in the Mirage late evenings. We absolutely recommend to try the gourmet burgers at Gordon Ramsay Burger in Planet Hollywood. Don't forget to get your reservations in advance at any of the restaurants you wish to dine at. We had the Hell's Kitchen burger and the blue cheese burger, both of which was so rich in flavor, juicy and almost melt in your mouth. Other place I recommend is to try the spicy ramen at the small dine-in Ramania. Instead of spending your entire time at the Strip, we recommend to check out the Fremont Street Experience at downtown Las Vegas for the most elaborate glitter and light display. You can also give a shot at zip lining from one end to the other. Venetian is another of my favorite resorts on the Strip. Their gorgeous galleries, replica of plazas, canals, and bridges of Venice, panels of art at the ceiling, and the gondola ride all make it a wonderful charm not to be missed. Other than the helicopter, you can enjoy the gorgeous 360-degree views aboard the Linq High Roller. The hustle bustle of the street and the zip line make it a worthy experience to have. For dinner, we recommend the Foundation Room at Mandalay Bay. Along with the fine cuisine, the breathtaking views from the balcony of the entire strip makes it for a perfect romantic evening. We tried the chicken vindaloo tacos and crab cakes, and they both were so delicious. We stayed at Delano for our stay. It's an all-suite hotel, and here is a little room tour for you. For delicious Italian food, especially pasta, we recommend Buca di Beppo at Excalibur. Vegas is a shopper's paradise. From all the luxury stores, high street fashion to the outlet mall, there is always something for everyone. And now to the showstopper of the culinary experience, we finally got to dine at Hell's Kitchen. The reservations get filled weeks in advance, so make sure to get yours in time. We had the beet salad for appetizer, and for the main course we tried beef Wellington and crispy skin salmon with lentils. Definitely enjoyed the latter more, but the highlight for us was the dessert, which was the sticky toffee pudding with ice cream. When in Vegas, make sure to rent a car for a day and enjoy the spectacle of the 7 Magic Mountains and Lake Mead just outside the city. We have an entire video on the top day trips from Vegas, which you can check linked above and in the description below. India Palace is our favorite Indian restaurant in Vegas. Love all their preparations and a must try for anyone craving desi flavors. As the sun sets, Vegas lights to a gorgeous beauty. Always a pleasure to take a stroll at night to soak in the magic one last time before our flight back home. So guys, that was all from our travels to Las Vegas. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and if you do, make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share, and we'll see you soon in our next video.